How to disable Steam auto update. So first, just open up your Steam, then click on the Steam icon here on the top left, then click on settings. Now once you are on your settings, just go here on downloads. Now once you're on your download, just go to schedule auto updates and click on the switch button to enable it. And now you could restrict auto updates. So it's up to your preference. Let's say you play 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So you could restrict auto updates on those time so that when you open Steam, so let's say 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. so that when you open Steam on these times, no game will auto update. So that's basically the first method you could do. And the second method is just simply exit out of this. Now go to any game. So I'm going to use Aim Labs as an example. So right click on any game you want. Click on properties. Now once you're there, go to updates and click on this automatic updates one and just simply click on only update this game when I launch it. So let's say you have games that you rarely play and it just keeps on auto updating. And to avoid those kind of situations, you just simply need to enable this option, which is only to update your games when you launch it. And that can help you reduce lag and can help improve your performance while you are gaming or something. And that's a basically disables Steam auto updates.